Okay, so I wanted to do a bit more with asymptotes and rational functions and such. So let's practice a few more of these. So if we look at this function, first thing to think about is that the numerator's degree is bigger than the denominator's degree, meaning we're going to have to do some tricks, right? We're going to have to do some long division. Okay, so that means, let's go ahead and do that out. Excuse me. So we'll have 6x minus 9 going into 4x squared minus 18x plus 9. 6x to 4x squared. Well, 6 has an extra 3, but not enough 2's, so that would be 2/3 x. Multiply, so that's 4x squared minus 6x. Subtract, so these cancel. 18x, negative 18x minus minus, so plus 6x is negative 12x plus 9 drops down. 6x to negative 12x needs a negative 2. So that would be negative 12x plus 18, and subtract, these cancel. 9 minus 18 is negative 9. So that means that this is our quotient and this is our remainder, right? So that means that f of x can be rewritten as the quotient, or 2/3 x minus 2, plus, or well, minus because it's negative 9, over 6x minus 9, right? Okay, so that means that as this portion goes to 0, this is the leftover, okay? Or that we have a slant or oblique asymptote, essentially. So we start at negative 2, and we go up 2 over 3, and that's our oblique. Our vertical comes from 6x minus 9 equals 0, or 6x equals 9, x equals 9/6, or 3/2. So, vertical happens at positive 3/2, so that is 1.5, so right there. And now we need to plot some points, right? So let's pick something like 2, if we plug in 2. So let's go to a new slide. So if we plug in 2, that will be 4 times 4, so 16, minus 18 times 2 is 36, plus 9, over 6 times 2 is 12, minus 9, so 16 and 9 make 27, minus 36 is negative 9, over 12 minus 9 is 3, so this is negative 3. So we can plot this point of, we plugged in 2, and we got negative 3. Okay, then let's plug in 3. So 3 squared is 9, times 4 is 36, minus 18 times 3. I don't know, 18 times 3. So 54 plus 9 over 6 times 3 is 18 minus 9. So 36 and 9 make 45. Minus 54 is minus, so hold on, 45 minus 54. Yeah, that's minus 9 again. Okay. Then we get 9 in the bottom, so that would be -1. So we plugged in 3 and we got -1. Then let's plug in 1 and 0. So if we plug in 1, we get 4 minus 18 plus 9 over 6 minus 9. So that's -9, -5 over -3, so 5/3. So we can plot that point right here. So we plugged in 1 and we got out 5/3. Then if we plug in 0, we get 0, 0, 9 over 0, -9, so -1. So 0, -1 is right there. That's 2 points on each side. If we graph it, that looks a little weird, doesn't it? Okay. Did we do everything right? Is our oblique right? If we change the oblique to 2x minus 6, that would be -6, and then up 2 over 1. If we graph those, that's even worse. Okay. So let's make sure our math was right on our points. It happens sometimes. You know what? I'm going to stop this because